Alright, y'all, so today we in the Chrysler 300. I ain't gonna cap. I never drove. Well, this feels weird. Ah, what's that, bro? Sit down. Oh, the cops right there. Alright, so like, do I need to know anything about this car?
Everything. This shit fast as fuck, boy.
Wait, why can't it get, oh shit. Sensitive. Oh my god. Wait, what's in here?
6'4", 6'4".
Oh, I need to get one.
Yes, you do. You can rip past it. It's the coupler. Go ahead.
That was your tires?
No, you good.